So hello guys, nandito tayo sa planta ng marble. The marble capital of the Philippines here in Romblon. And we are visiting the marble plant where all the marble products are being created, from the big blocks of marble to the small and creativity of the people here in Romblon. Ito yung mga machine. So in this planta, we have a lot of marble plants here in Romblon. Ito yung planta na gumagawa sila ng mga lapida. Ha? Oo, kato na walagat. Salamat ha. Oh, yan ang marble cutter. Marble cutter. Yan nila titiyak ang big block ng marble. Ito yung big block of marble. Grabe. We have all kinds of workers here. Big blocks of marble. Okay, we are going to continue our tour here. Okay, over here. We are going to continue our tour. And then, yung mga maliliit na pieces ng marble ay ginagawa nilang graba for the building. Like this one here. And ano naman nito? Papakinit. Oh, this is the polishing area. They also use water. They also use water, huh? And liha. Ano to? Liha. Liha. And then, good morning! Kapoy-pog ka dira. Tanan ni na ho mga tiyan na ho. Kapoy-pogon mo. Ang kaintig na kapoy-pog nito. Balls. Ina. Pang anong gamit ng mga gano? Garden. Ay, sa garden. Yes, pampa-landscape. Landscape. Tapos ito para sa karsada, sa mga bayay. Building. Yeah, mga graba-graba. Tibay. Sino si Ramilo niyan? Babe, my batchmate. Yes, my batchmate. Oh, meet my husband. Yan, oh, nag-meet pa kami ng kabatchmate ko sa high school. Oh, my gulay. Ito naman ay mga chips, marble chips. Different sizes. Oh, we have here pioneer. And numbers, there are all kinds, all sizes. Yes. Different sizes of the chips. Oh, and we have the very ano naman ma'am? For the chop. Tapos ito naman this one. Oh my God. Inside. Yes, for toothpaste. Look how smooth. Look how smooth it is. It's very smooth. Wow. Wow. And then here we have Alpog. Alpog is life. Abaw, naalala ko naman sa lumok kami. He is the owner. He is the owner of the marble plant. Oh, what? And his son, they are the owner of this marble plant. Beautiful. Thank you, sir, for having us and allow me to. Oh, here, look guys, oh. Parang snow na siya, oh. This is located here in Barangay Cahimos. Ayan. Yung marble plant na ito ay napakalaki. Oh, ayan. They are not allowed. They are not allowed to dump the marble dust in the air. They have to follow the regulation. So that's why they have to build a barrier here so that the marble dust and this one here is not gonna go through the ocean, because it's they are not allowed to, because it will ruin the sea, the ocean. Oh, diba? Good idea. Very good idea. Oh, good. Ay, iniho kay iniho. Look. Walang iniho. Buti na kailangan lang. Is this working? Yes. Okay. Ay, imo ni ma'am ang sabi mo. Ika ang mga puso mo. Yes. Kaya ito na kailangan. At kung dito sa laki ho, mapusak-pusak. Masarap sa mga bol-bol. Oo. Diba? Poor girls. Diba? Poor girls. Diba sa kalain daw ginagawa? Ginagawa? Ito, natong kalayo dito. Kay pampachallenge it. This also export to Manila and the other places here in the Philippines. So, yan. Yan, may mga order yan sa Manila. Oh. Ito buo na ang gina-order nila, ma'am? So, hindi na ang mag-crash. So, yun. Ito yung mga product nila dito, mga next, ano naman tayo? Next planta. Here, the tool. Oh! Okay, so you try to slice the marble? Oh my God, look at the tool. Yes! Yes! You try, babe. You go try. GR na. Harap mo kay Siloy. Oh, the same babe, they're slicing also. But they have different product here now. Oh. Oh, ini naman oh. Product nyo dito? Ah! Oo. Sa mga slab. 20 by 40. Ah, mga seto. Ah. Para ay waya ning ano, waya ning akas. Waya akas. Tapos kuha naman ang plastic. Ano yan? Baluster. Ay, baluster. This is the baluster bed. For the house. Oh, diba? Yan. Okay na makita ho. Ano naman ito yun? So, hindi na kaya to. The excess water, the marble cutting machine, they use a lot of water. So, yan napupunta yung mga excess water. Kung ano naman na daw, ay mo tagyapon, marble cutter. They have a lot of marble cutter machine. And then here, they also have a crusher. Ayan, oh, stop. Baluster shaper. That's where they shape the baluster. From that. Diba no? You want to hear the end product. Here is the end product. Ginagamit nila sa mga paggawa ng bahay. Sa mga balcony, sa mga patio. Worker din sila dito, guys. Ano ina? Ano ina? Para din ina. Dito, meron din silang barrier dito, guys, kasi bawal nga talaga ang mag-dispose ng marble dust dito sa ocean. That's why our ocean here in Romblon is still blue and okay, so tapos na ang ating tour dito sa marble plant here in Romblon, Barangay Cahimos. Ayan, walang tapon ang mga bato, lahat napapakinabangan. Oh my God, look at that. Gusto ko yun, ma'am. Ang cute-cute. Ano ina? Ha? Uy, ayo. Ibog at naman. Dapat ay may ano ka? May tawag ko. May crane kayo na dapat. Diba? Parking area. Yan. Polisher area. But mas organized yun isinda. Ay, oo, yan doon. in the polisher area. Oy, ang cute-cute ng baby. Oh, yan. Polisher. Iayo ah.